Hello, today we will guide you through how to add indicator Gocharting. To begin, open Gocharting and head to the Trading Hub page. This is the main entry point where you can access the charting platform and begin working with market charts. If you are starting from the Gocharting website, look for the trading section so you can move into the live charting environment. Once you are on the Trading Hub page, click on Launch Gocharting Free. This will open the platform and take you into the chart workspace, where you can view price action and use charting tools. Depending on your internet speed, it may take a moment for the terminal to load fully, so give it a few seconds if needed before moving on. After the chart interface appears, direct your attention to the top area of the screen and click on Indicators. This is where Gocharting keeps its library of technical indicators. Indicators are tools traders use to help analyze market movement, identify trends, and spot possible entry or exit points. Opening this menu will let you browse or search for the specific indicator you want to place on your chart. Next, click into the search bar and type the name of the indicator you want to add. This makes it much faster to find the exact tool you need, especially if the platform offers many different indicators. Be as specific as possible when typing so the correct result appears quickly. If you are not sure of the exact name, typing part of the name can still help narrow the list. When you see the indicator you want, click on it. As soon as you select it, the indicator will be added to your chart. Then, check the graph to confirm that it has appeared correctly. Some indicators display directly over the price chart, while others may appear in a separate panel above or below the main graph. This is normal and depends on the type of indicator you selected. Take a quick moment to visually confirm that the chart has updated and that the indicator is now active. If needed, you can continue exploring the chart to see how the new indicator is displayed and how it responds to the current market data. That's all it takes to add an indicator in Gocharting. Following these steps will help you quickly customize your chart and make your analysis more effective.